But after creating the reusable widget, under the screen directory, we want to create the login screen, because if you check the screen directories, I just made the login screen. This login screen here would make use of several reusable widgets we have, and it's still a stateful widget, So we have under the screen directory, we have the login screen, we have the sign up, and we have the splash screen. So we're creating a class, the login state, which is going to extend the state, and you pass in the login. You override the build method of the state. So for the login here, you're going to return a container. And in the create state here, you're going to return the login state. Okay, and also for the material app, we're going to use the material app in the build method of the login state. So the material will contain a scaffold as the home, and the scaffold will have a body, and we're going to remove the banner, and also the scaffold. It's going to have a body, so we're going to use a stack right now. So the stack here is what is going to help us in the login screen, but we're going to create a widget. We're going to call this widget, we're going to create our own reusable stack. We're going to customize our own stack. So we're calling this a stack. We'll call it a name. So the name of this stack is auth stack, you understand? So we want to create our own customized stack. So we're going to create it under the widget. So we call it the auth stack. So I run the class, and the class is auth stack. It's going to extend a stateful widget. The stateful widget here, auth stack. I'm going to import the create state, and we create a class auth stack state, And in the auth stack state, you're going to extend the state, and you pass in the auth stack. It's going to override the build method here. You're going to return the auth stack state. So remember, when creating a reusable widget, we have to create a constructor. So this auth stack too is going to have a constructor. So the constructor is going to take in several parameters. The first one is a boolean, and is login. So its login is going to let you know if this is a login stack or a sign up stack, you understand? So you can use this auth stack on several screens, you understand what I mean? So if you're using it in the login screen, it's going to be true. If you're going to use it in the sign up screen, it's going to be false. So the auth stack having the login parameter, the boolean. So coming down here, we're going to return a stack. and this stack is gonna have children. So you see now the odd stack is also a stack on its own. It returns a stack and it has children. So the login screen now is gonna call on the odd stack. You're gonna use a reusable stack here. Odd stack. Okay. So coming back to the odd stack now, we go down. So inside the odd stack, we're also gonna pass a stack color, you understand? So you can change the color of a stack. You understand? You can mount it yellow, blue, or whatever, you know. But we're gonna use blue as the stack color now. So the stack widget is going to contain some children. So the first child is a container, and the width is going to be of media query dot size dot of. It's going to match the. It's going to fill the screen. And the height is media query dot of context dot size dot height. So it's gonna have a container. I'm also gonna have another container in the stack. So the odd stack contains two containers. Gonna be the same too. You're gonna pass in a color here. So the color is gonna be from the parameter of the odd stack. You understand? So if null is equal to widget dot stack color, it's gonna return a default color. Else it will return the stack color. I think right there we have to import, you know. It's not gonna be small letters. I think we have to import this material package of Flutter. So import it and that error is gone. So that's it.